Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by Mike.
Sure, Stivo.
Yeah.
Kacheko ke thabile. Kaizer Chiefs e re tlaletse ha monate and then re tlaletseng ha monate go wa tsebakeng ba le ba dipelo tse dulang di kobehile ne re kopa kacheko ba amohele ke sure hore ba bone hore Kaizer Chiefs e ya boya hona jwanong Kaizer Chiefs ha isa boela mrao tse ne re di bua last di fitile bafana ba Chiefs ba kopane ne ba shebile Bolilepo but Bolilepo ka tjoko ne ba sa kena ya bona re kene ka bafana ba banyane bo Chabalala as always ba re tsetsa msebetsi o motle Vilakazi re a leboha mfano wa Makhathi nadlala a relaxitse komrao no sina ntwe mtsosange na overlapa Kaizer Chiefs re tsetsa msebetsi o motle re a leboha Makhosi and then ke rata ho leboha le Pirates ha ile ya khona ho ilo be ha statue ko Pretoria because ba itse he ba fetsa ho Kora Williams wile a butsisa hore ball boy ha se yona e lahletseng bolo ko di paleng hunting no bamshapile ka morathata dance ne re a leboha mfowethu wense msebetsi o motle bolo yela ke history le gore ba ka swile ba elebetse le hona manje Williams ko Pretoria o santsana emiso anyakazi ayithi next kona obontshitse week ba hore ke goalkeeper wa tseba ha zama lo aka diver go try something ha bona next akwa tlo chaela maka ke sure le slow motion he ba zama ho ntsha polela ha e bona hale re a o leboha Tanseno re deditse msebetsi rona ha re ntse re collecta di 3 points lona dlalang di draw tsa lona TK o wile na le ko madlaleng kiyo o teng TK re a leboha o wile ka 4 goals
ka 4 today ke 4 tsa November keep only 4 goals.
Yes.
And Obana Chiefs I win so. Okay. Utaba the player. The supporter. Obana kafala we are happy.
Yes.
The players, the happy management, happy.
Yes.
Libo mamani. Obana mani sukala. Mana man. No shawasufaki. Na temangi. Because if Chiefs my liwala FNP. Shoti. Labo mama bathingisa bathini amapinati na nombila na nani itafamba ngwana mani uyabona itafamba uyabona manje masesi wina kanje shokuthi nabo ba benefit bathole imali uyabona nala and uyasumthaka umthakathi angazi umthakathi uyenza kanje angishonga igama yazi because lo mthakathi lo enzayo uthi Chiefs ingawini la FNB namhlanje simphotheli because iChiefs my winner kanje benefita abantu not abantu ba Chiefs abantu abo sestere babo labanye laba yibo ba benefitayo we have understand yibo ba benefitayo ukuthi bathengisa imanga bathengisa ama peanuts bathini konje peanuts namaqanda nayonke lento le
amaqanda yahamba
okay into yokugcina Thibone okay bengekho the whole month since ngiyama nge2 saka October ngibuya namhlanje nge4 sakora 4 goals okay ama followers wakho asiwala iGauteng player naseLimpopo being 7 kana ngibuya namhlanje yabuya manje 3 o'clock bengisele e-Force Lorraine kana ngibuya but ngiba-advise okay ba subscribe bakufollowe mafone wethu sila uyabona
Thank you, TK.
sisonke
Thank you, TK.
thank you ungacabanga ukuthi ula Gauteng kuphela nase Gauteng bathi hawu lo TK wase wamafeni wethu uthi yimi bathuka mama ngibona bafuna photo uyabona amafoni mangakubonisa problem i-battery ifone iflight bengizokubonisa ukuthi hayi uyabona
Thank you, TK.
Thank you.
TK.
I'm back.
Man, please come back, TK.
I'm back.
Next game, please.
And amasonja
Please come back. Please come back. Abatshontshela amasonja.
Esithibo. Bawasethile amasonja.
Ngiphathele askis next time.
Manje uyabona lento basethile amasonja. Abantu lapho. Basethile abantu izinto, bathatha ama-wallet, amafonu, imali, yonke namasonja akho ahambile manje. Uya understand? Ngicela ungikashe. Ngibo bodyguard yakho.
Once TK, so ilungile.
Once ngicela ukuthi mina nami at least amafeni wethu utalent.
Thank you, TK. Thank you, TK.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?